A very good morning to you all. That is Marius van Niekerk. My first YouTube training video from Mac Web Training. You can see there's a little photo of me. I'm born in Namibia and residing on the moment in Cape Town in South Africa. I am a professional nurse, and now you want to know what is a professional nurse doing with web designing. Let me tell you a little bit. I had a hobby, photography. It can become so expensive that it wasn't possible for me to continue. So we decided to turn the photographic hobby into a profession. To advertise my profession, I need a website. I found out, but it cost me between $5,000 to $10,000 or $500 to $2,000 for somebody to design, hosting, and maintain a website. It was really expensive and I couldn't afford it. So I started to talk to my friend amongst Bertus Oorstation, and he referred me to a guy in Bloemfontein, Johan from Pi Graphics. He told me about Joomla and how the basics working, and he giving me an opportunity for free, not for free but almost free hosting, and I have to pay for the domain registration, and then for a minimal fee monthly, giving me the opportunity to build my website itself. But unfortunately it didn't give me a lot of background and a feeding. But with today's internet facilities, I started to Google and found out, and then I started to learn more. So I built my first website. My first website is Mac Photo. Let me go and show you it. Okay, we're going to my browser. And I'll just going to go with bookmarks. I think it's a little easier, and this Mac Photo, and I open it. Then you will see my first ever website I designed. It did look a little bit different on that date, but as I imported and improved, I did improve the website. You can see it's not only a one-page website, it's a multi-website with different category models and things. And I also to learn how to incorporate your Facebook on your page. So from there on, I continue this. My wife saw my website and told me she want one. So I'm building a one, and my grandfather saw it for his brewery business and also likes it. And then friends starting to asking me to do their websites. I even do Clint Dean's well-known painter website. And then the other clients start to fall in line and all want to see my websites. So with the time, I learn how to do complete websites. I do a diploma in website designing and a diploma in website marketing, social marketing, and all on the internet on my own time. But it took me a lot of time, and I make a lot of mistake. But today I can say I'm very proud. I do even my own hosting. So now I want to help you that you also can do it like I did, very cheap. If you have a small business and you can't really afford to employ one or go to a web designer and ask them to building a website. So, and what more is I'm going to give you free domain registration. Yes, free domain registration. All you have to do now, register on my site today and you qualify for that free domain. Okay, let me just talk a little bit about domains. Domain is a specific unique address that given to each website, and that the World Wide Web of www all type in front of the website, that's what it means, World Wide Web, knows where to find your website. You can imagine all the billions of websites and is on the network, and nobody knows it. So each got a unique name. So no two websites have the same name, and that's why you have to register your domain and make sure you have the name one. Then you have to get the server and more like hosting on a server somewhere on the worldwide network that you can publish your website. So from your own computer you type in your own website name, www.mine.co.za.9.com, and then you've been connected to your server by a hosting company. Hosting company, it's a company that supply space on a server for you to publish your website, because you don't want to publish it on your own computer or laptop at home and everywhere have access to it. So there is a specific big computer with yours where your website is stored in, and then you're able to connect to the World Wide Web. Now, what do you have to do now? That's easy. Go to my website www.macmcwebtraining.com and register there, and the domain is yours for free. Yes, I know you told me I am a painter, or I am a mechanic, or I am just a school teacher. I promise you, yes, you can do it. I'm a professionalist and I done it. See you shortly at macwebtraining.com, and I hope I will see you on my website. Thank you. Enjoy your day until we see each other again.